guys, I'm in central Floresta. Here I'm sitting, and so I will show you. I came here to central Floresta to do something, and right now to buy something, and right now I'm looking at my diary. Oh, sorry. Just a moment. I hope this is better. So, and right now I'm texting my diary, and I love my diary. I started just like 28 October, and today is like 9 November, so it's already, these pages are full. I like my diary. I text in many videos how I love my diary, and yesterday was moon eclipse, and yesterday was full moon also. And I feel a lot of energy, like it's wow, it's like all my wishes and dreams, they come true, and everything about love, about relationships, about presents, about money, about my popularity, about my social networks, about people around me, about my health, about everything. And this is so cool. I really like it. About everything, about my health. It's really like a magic, and I'm like, wow. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And so my health is perfect. My body is perfect. I'm so healthy. I'm so healthy. I yesterday went to clinic, and they checked my blood for one so important and like analysis for me. I checked ferritin, and I was scared that it will be like low. Like if it will be under 100, it will be not okay. And so I didn't eat any meat, and my ferritin, it's actually 120, almost 120. It's 119 and 38 points. This is like cool, because my doctor said like that ferritin maybe will be, if it will be under 100 like months ago, and if I don't eat meat, like I will have to eat tablets. And so 2 months I don't eat any meat, no chicken, no beef, no pork, any beef, nothing. And I don't eat any tablets, and I made like blood drops 2 months ago, and this is magic. Can you understand? I want to speak Russian because it's so hard to explain. So I'm healthy because I do meditation. I have so good relationships with food. I do experience in my life. I work with my soul. I work with my heart. My mind, my brain is so cool. And this make this magic in me. This make this magic in me. Trust me. Yeah. Also, I will show you this. This is lip balm. I bought it yesterday. This is special magic lip balm. Every time when I put it, my lips become like, so how to say, they do magic. My lips become like incredible, and when I say something, people, they love my lips, and what I say is like, wow, just because I use this magic lip balm. Yeah, and I will show you also what I bought today in Central Floresta. Okay, it will be right if I will take it from my bag. Okay, this is my bag. This I bought. This is mist. Hey, it's not a promotion. I don't do promotion. It's a mist for body. When I spray, my body will feel like wow. The smell is perfect. I was really in love. Can you feel it? I will be the good smeller. I will have the best smell. Girl with the best smell. It's me, like a flower. And my fingers, they are in so good cream, and it's perfect smell of cream on my hand. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I meet you. Yes, I love my fans, and I love that they love me. I love that you love me, and I hope you like this video. And I will do maybe meditation in Floresta, and then I will go maybe to store. I want to find good dress, and I have money, I have health, I have love, I have presence. I'm popular, so my videos become popular on YouTube, and people on Instagram, like cool people, they text me, they ask me to go anywhere, like they ask me a lot about anything, and I feel amazing. I feel really amazing. It's because of me.